सांताक्रूज मतदारसंघाचेर भाजपाचो झेंडो उक्तलो असो खर दावो मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरातान केला. कितलींशींच वर्सां भाजपाक हो मतदार जिखूंक मेळूंक नासलो, तरी हे खेपे भाजपाचो उमेदवार वेंचून येतलो आनी सांताक्रूजकारांक भाजपाचो आमदार मेळटलो असो विश्वास मंत्री बाबूशान उक्तायला.
No, I think there was some proposal of theirs earlier, something what is to give it on lease or something. So I spoke to the TCP minister and who is even urban development minister. So both the thing, because the land actually belongs to TCP department, and that ground basically was developed by urban development. So I spoke to him. I said this is the need of the people of the Panjim, and these basically should be handed over to the CC. And he jolly fully agreed to the thing, and things are going on. It will come to the cabinet.
No, what will it be for private? PT has been opposed, or it will be for people of Panjim?
It will be people of Panjim, but we got to see something to do, some work, some mechanism as far as the maintenance of the ground also is concerned.
Should be maintained in the proper way.
Yeah, it should be maintained. It does to have a ground. It should not become like a white elephant.
Okay, last minute. Santa Cruz बते काम start केला हमने ऐसा.
That we will see later on. There's still time for election.
Office को open नहीं कर पाया.
Sorry.
Office का जितना.
I am sure. I will tell you only one simple thing. I can tell you all this while for so many years, BJP never got the seat of Santa Cruz. This is the first time BJP will get Santa Cruz, will rest Santa Cruz seat. Will rest assured.
But will it be your candidate or what?
No. Candidate will be from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Okay. So be rest assured. Okay. This is confirmed that this time Bharatiya Janata Party will have a MLA from Santa Cruz.